Now you have your handwritten documents like the one that I have in my hands, and you'd like to convert this into an editable Word document. If that's exactly what you're looking for, stick on this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to be showing you 3 simple steps that we're going to be following to have an editable Word document from these handwritten papers. Okay, the first step is you're going to be grabbing your phone and take a picture of all these pages that you're interested in, or you can use that scanner that is on your mobile phone and scan all these pages into one single PDF file. Step number 2, we're going to be uploading these scanned pages or a PDF file into an AI tool that I'm going to be showing you in just a moment. And from there, our third last step, we will be able to download our editable Word document from the AI tool. Now, without further delay, let's get started. Now, for my case, I've already taken the pictures, as you can see on my desktop right here. These are the images that I've just taken, and you can open and have a preview. They are handwritten, okay? So with the images, you will have 4 different images, each image representing one single page. But if you'd like to do it a little bit faster, is you convert them into one PDF file, which I've actually done here. So this is the PDF file that I'm going to be using to do it a little bit faster. So you can see these are the 4 pages that I've just scanned, okay? Our step number 2 is to head over to any browser of our choice, and in the search area, we shall punch in pen to print and hit enter key on the keyboard. This first option that pops up is the one that I'm interested in, so I'll just tap this link. So when this AI tool opens, what you need to do is to come in here and say get started for free, and our interest is to use the handwriting OCR converter, so I'll just tap this option. And if you're coming to this tool for the first time, you'll have 10 free pages that you can use to test this particular product. But for myself, I'll go ahead and log in into my account, so I'll tap this option. I log in using my Gmail account. And once I'm logged in into my account, what I will do is to come in here and say get started for free, and I'm interested in handwriting OCR converter, so I'll just pick this option, and now I can upload my document. I'll click this big plus button right here. This will open this particular window. I can now navigate to where my document is. Feel free to upload each individual page if that works better for you, but for me, I've actually created one single PDF file that I can upload right here. And once you do that, the only thing you need to do is to say continue, and the processing of your document will start, okay? Just give this AI tool a few seconds to process through your document, depending on how heavy your document is. And you can see our document is now ready. On my left, I have my original handwritten copy, and I have this converted copy right here. Now, because I actually uploaded one single PDF file that had 4 pages, that's why you have 4 pages up here. You can scroll through and confirm if your text has been extracted properly. Now, our third last step is to actually download a copy of this particular converted text. We can actually download it as a text file or as a Word document, okay? I'm interested in a Word document, so I'll pick this option right here, and now I can click my download button here. Once I do that, the download will start, and here is our copy. I can actually click it to open, and now it will launch into Microsoft Office Word. You can go in and now start making changes to your document, do the right formatting, and so on and so forth, okay? If you have any questions regarding on how to get started with this tool, please leave everything in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a like. And by the way, if you're new here, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you don't miss any future videos like this. Now, if you want to do or to achieve the same results without paying anything, please watch this video that is showing somewhere here, or you can actually watch this video showing on the sides here, because this particular tool that I've just shown you, if you have bulk pages that you'd like to convert, you'll need to pay something. But I believe, in my own opinion, it's actually worth it, okay? But if you'd like to do everything absolutely for free, watch any of those videos and let us meet in the next one.